I finally decided to straighten my hair. Usually my hair is either curly or wavy, mainly because I don't like putting heat in my hair, but since it wasn't sticky outside today, I decided to straighten it, and my hair is pretty long. I don't know if you guys can see that. And we have Lutz with us here today. So we'll see you guys once we reach the fireworks. So I just picked up these sunglasses yesterday. They're the Key Australia ones, the Desi Perkins collection. They're not the ones that I wanted initially, but I have to order those ones. But Nordstrom had these, so I picked these up. What do you guys think of them? Comment down below your favorite type of shades, or sunnies, or whatever you want to call them. So guys, today when I was on my way to work, I almost got into an accident because for some reason people still don't know how to use four-way stop signs. And I don't know why it's so difficult to comprehend. And so yeah, I almost died today. Well, Lutz, guess what? What? The other day I sneezed at work and my glasses fell off. Hey. So guys, we ended up coming to Holt because Lutz wanted to do some shopping, and we're here in the CDG section because she wanted to purchase a t-shirt. So we're going to Nordstrom now because Holt didn't have the t-shirt that Lutz wanted, so we're hoping that Nordstrom will carry it.
That's all they have?
And like the ones hanging there. So we're in Nordstrom now, and it doesn't look like Lutz is having any luck whatsoever trying to find her shirt. I actually like that. I actually like that. So Nordstrom was a fail. They didn't have what she was looking for, so we're gonna try again in a couple of weeks. And right now we're on our way to Theory to get something to drink. Are we gonna get something to eat too, like dessert or something? Yeah. And then get some dessert. And yes, I'm wearing my sunglasses at night because I was really excited to buy them, so I'm gonna make the most out of using them.
See you there?
I know. Guys, the Vancouver Art Gallery was lit up and it looked really nice, but I got my camera out too late. This is definitely one of our favorite spots to visit in the summertime.
Cheese!
She didn't put cheese on my salad.
Okay.
Okay, I know you're just joking now.
Okay.
Yeah, they are.
So we're walking to the fireworks and we're probably gonna end up missing majority of it
I'm done.
because we're way on the other side. So this shall be interesting. I know. So guys, we're just kind of walking around in any random direction, just trying to see where they are after we view them in the sky. And we have no idea how we're gonna get back to our car because I don't think we've been paying attention to which way we walked. And the ones ahead of us are on a mission too. Oh, doggy dick. Hi guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was pretty eventful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.